In this video, we will learn how to create subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. I checked several YouTube videos where they showed creating a database, custom admin details, etc., which are not necessary to create a subdomain in Hostinger. Only a few clicks are enough to create subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. Let's get started. At first, log into Hostinger and come to the website list section. To create a subdomain, you must make sure that the main domain is already connected to your hosting. This time, I will create a subdomain for this domain. Now, click on Add Website. Choose WordPress as we will install WordPress in that subdomain. Now, write the WP admin login details you want to use for that subdomain. Make sure the password follows these instructions. I am choosing blank site. Now type the subdomain you want to create. The domain I have is dynamicpricingpro.com, and the subdomain I will create now is wp.dynamicpricingpro.com. Then go Next. WordPress installation has started. Yes! The subdomain is created as well, and WordPress is installed successfully. You can easily install any WordPress theme, plugin, and use it for your job. So this is the video on how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on Hostinger. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me through the comment section. Please like and subscribe.